Oh wow, it's look fresh red apple. Rainy season. Oh wow. What vegetable is this? Oh, I think it's onion. Nice. I think it's vegetable. Oh wow, purple color. Oh, white fruit. Wow. Huh? Look different. What is this? It's an egg? Oh yeah, it's egg, but very different. Oh wow. Red fruit. Dark red fruit. Oh, which fruit is this? Wow, what a design. Yes, I love guavas. Looks so fresh. Oh, which fruit is this? It's covered. It's apple. Look very different. Oh, nice. Oh, which vegetable is this? Dark purple. Looks very satisfying. Oh, white apple. Wow, looks so fresh. I think it's juicy. Oh, this kiwi is very juicy. Looks so fresh. Oh, it's berry. I think it's a very. Oh, which fruit is this? Looks so different. Looks so tasty.